Does religion really have a prime purpose? The purpose of religion is not to build beautiful churches or temples, but to cultivate positive human qualities such as tolerance, generosity, and love. Every world religion, no matter what its philosophical view, is founded first and foremost on the precept that we must reduce our selfishness and serve others. 宗教真的有一个首要的目的吗？宗教的目的并不是建造美丽的教堂或寺庙，而是培养积极的人类品质，比如宽容、慷慨和爱。每一种世界宗教，无论其哲学观点如何，首先都建立在减少自私、服务他人的原则之上。